What is up, guys? Today is always 86 day. It's a Saturday. We are on the way to Elvin already. A bit earlier today because the progress on the car is actually not much, so I have to go and basically send it myself to make the process a lot faster, so that Elvin can start respraying the undercoat on the engine bay. As for the interior, I'm still waiting for my vacuum cleaner, which just arrived in Kuching, but it's still not out for delivery. But it's okay. We're gonna finish up on the engine bay so that we can paint it over and do all the other stuff of, for example, the relocation of the brake lines and the clutch line, and also the fuel lines. So yeah, the sanding process is gonna take us a lot of time, and it's very tiring. Hopefully I can totally finish it by today and make it a lot faster. So yeah, see you guys in Elvin. We have arrived at Elvin. Brush engine bay. Engine bay brushing time. Dari tadi aku nak ke jalan situ, jalan siap. Kesana kesini, kesana kesini. Panas, hot weather. Apa macam sudah dalam bin? Uyo, lekat sudah ho. Sudah komplit bosku. Uyo, uyo. Manual sunroof. Manual sunroof ya. Manual sunroof. Shooting photo. Oh, interior, don't play. Super tired. Weather is very hot today. Oh, progress on Panda. Brush the whole day already using grinder with brush with a brush. Grind it here. Firewall left, but so tired already. So tired already. Alvin is also rushing his Celica 1J. So yeah. Couldn't finish sending off the engine bay the other day. So this is day 2 going to Alvin. And good news is also my vacuum cleaner is already here. So that means we can actually clean up the interior as well. So on the way to Alvin. We are already at Alvin. Yes. Night is in. Alvin wants to try and start up the car. CCU already here. Oh. They are going to install YRV inside this canary, and me continuing the AE. Morning, boss. Afternoon sudah. Refill jack.
Ini seal motor.
Oh.
Saya bikin main jack itu seal buka. Sudah overhaul loh ini. Overhaul 走了呢。哦，咁樣啲seal 用 oversight 咧，係用 oversight，係用落嘅 seal，super seal，我唔見你咯。Sama bukan speed dia minyak lagi. Itulah, ไม่หมอมาก
Work. done sanding the car. Firewall, then the side here, but still need a bit more sanding according to Alvin. And maybe a bit more here. Then basically one more day of sanding, then after that we can paint undercoat for it. Super long day, very tiring. Yeah, hopefully one more day left for me to do all the sanding, then after that can respray the engine bay, and after that can do all the mechanical stuff. So that is so far the update on Panda. Needs a little bit more of sanding to do. I wouldn't say it's just I wouldn't say it's one day of work, but it's most probably like an hour or two more. A lot of work, tiring day, long hours. Can't wait until the undercoat and the paint on the engine bay. You guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.